Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to test this 21700 lithium ion battery. Rated voltage is 3.7 volt and full charge 4.2 volts. Capacity claimed is 5000 mAh, but is it really genuine or fake? Let's test it practically and find out. And discharge rate is 3C. 3C means this battery should safely delivers up to 15 amperes of current. Before starting the capacity testing, we need to fully charge this battery up to 4.2 volts. So this module is ZB2L3, which we are going to use in this video for doing the capacity testing of the lithium ion battery. You can purchase this from any online store or nearest electronic store. This is an old CPU fan which I already have, and I have installed three registers on this fan. Each register is going to act as a load. The two big registers are of 10 watts and the other one is the small one is the of 5 watts. The total current consumption capacity of this load is around 2.5 ampere. Okay, so let's connect all these things together and start the test. The two wires, that is the blue and the green one, is already connected to the load, that is the register, and on the board, on the module, we have four points to connect the cable wires. Okay, so remaining two I am going to use for my battery. On the modules there are three buttons, one for OK and two for negotiating the voltage of the cutoff voltage of the battery. Okay, we will see in the video soon. This module uses a micro B connectors to power. So I'm going to use this cable to power the module. You can use a 5-volt charger. On the back side of the module you can see there are plus and minus symbol is mentioned, so you can connect the battery terminals accordingly. So it is successfully connected, and let me show you using a 1 voltmeter. The battery is fully charged. Okay, so it is around 4.13, which is almost near to 4.2, and you can say it is almost charged near around 95%. Okay, so let's start the testing. So this is another lithium ion battery 18650. which is connected to the power bank module. I am going to use this module as a source of the power for ZB2L3 board. So it is connected, and you can see there is a the lights gets on. The screen is showing around 4.12 volts. This is the battery voltage. Okay, you can use the plus and minus button to negotiate the cutoff voltage for your battery, or you can simply click on OK to start the test. So it is started. So you can see there are three lights blinking one by one. The AH means the total capacity, uh, okay, and the A means the total ampere using which the battery is getting discharged, and the V means the voltage of the battery. And it will take some hours, around 1 or maybe 2 hours, to completely discharge the battery and show the capacity. Okay, and let's wait, and I'm going to pause this video, and I will come back again in some time. So it is been around 1 hour, and we can see the battery is showing the capacity of 2.88, means around 2800 of a mAh. Okay, and that is it means and still the battery voltage is 3.4. uh, it will take few more hours, okay, to reach the battery to its cutoff voltage, that is 3.0 volts. So you can see here the total battery capacity is of 4100. So it is around 4000 mAh. Okay, 4000 mAh. Okay, and it is not a total full 5000 mAh as claimed by the seller. So you can buy this product from any online store or nearest electronic shop for your DIY project. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Please share this video with your friends.